Your
Touch screen.
cursor?
Oh, it's right here.
Can you move it?
No.
No.
Oh my god. I
Dude,
can't.
this is
I'm
bad.
losing my shit, bro. Like, I
This is
can't.
bad.
How?
I don't think you can do anything about it. I'll be
You actually
completely
can't
honest. I
do
don't think you
anything
can do
right now.
shit.
Bro,
Like,
that-
I would
Here,
actually.
Here, actually,
We
real
need to
quick,
be
plug,
there to actually help you.
plug the your mouse into the back of your computer.
Oh,
Where is it
Plug
plugged?
it. It'll
plugged
plug
into the
straight into the motherboard. It's plugged into the front.
I bet.
I'm surprised you didn't hook up the front I/O properly. I'm being dead serious. Is his RAM dual channel or
Fuck.
are they
Fuck,
next
fuck,
to,
fuck.
or are they next to each other?
All right.
Oh
save.
my god, I swear to god, if he has that shit right next to
Go
each
save.
other,
I
dude,
need
I'm
to
gonna lose
see.
my
I
shit.
Now,
need to see it.
Whatever
No, I'm pretty sure he
you
has it
feel like
separated.
doing,
I imagine he
do it.
does. But does he have it separated
I-
if
correctly?
you want to go back to sleep,
I don't know,
run
man.
away because you just got all the information, or anything else.
I'm surprised
do it.
Jalen built his own PC, honestly.
Yeah, but we were in
Oh,
a fucking
yeah.
call when it happened, bro.
If you want to go
I
back to
wish I was
sleep,
watching, bro.
run away, go here, anything else, you can do
God,
it.
dude.
Just go your own way, alright?
Unreal, dude. Unreal. Fucking, I have 300 gigs of videos.
No, that's insane. That's actually insane, bro. Light off, bro.
Actually, yeah, show me the computer. Real
Okay,
quick.
go.
Oh shit. Hello? Oh
Well,
fuck.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Is he
Dude,
gonna
that,
actually?
dude, that scared me. What the fuck?
Yeah. Is he
Dude,
actually
no,
gonna do it, bro?
I started watching one of the clips, and like it was y'all talking, and then I X'd out of it, and it stopped. The voices stopped, and I thought I cut
The
out or
voice is
something
stopped.
because I thought it was y'all talking. Oh my god, that was weird.
Dude, is
Anyways,
he actually gonna? I don't want him to do it.
I think he might go back to sleep. I don't know what he's gonna do.
He might.
holy
Kind
shit,
of hope he
Better not,
does.
though.
dude!
I
Why
had
is
him say
Jalen
come
just on
back
a
and
black screen?
Go around.
What's
He
going
put his
on?
phone on the ground. It's fine.
Oh, I see muted though. Dude, holy shit.
Hold
Brian,
on.
did you get a picture of his setup?
I didn't get a picture of his setup. No.
Save, so
Dude, that Black
could I go
Panther,
back
that
and try
Black
other
Panther
things if I
poster is
wanted to?
crazy.
You can always come back with. That's why I wanted you to save. So this is
Bro
completely
just got his shit
unbiased.
sitting
Just
on the
do
carpet, dude.
whatever you feel is right in the moment. Okay.
Alright, let's do this.
Dude, why do I have so many fucking
Okay,
clips?
good.
All right. Good.
I gotta delete these, dude. They're taking up so much room.
So how big was that 2-hour video, bro?
No, I don't have a 2-hour video.
You just been recording for 2 hours.
No, it was like, wait, was it
When
2
you were
hours?
talking about that, you said 2
Oh.
hours. Because I'm sure you started the video when you played Apex.
Dude, why can't I open
What
this
is
one?
this, bro? What is this, bro?
What is what? What is this? What happened?
Dude, the file's open in
Like
AM.
TikTok, bro.
Dude, I think
Oh,
this
no.
file's so big that they're still downloading from the AMD server.
Oh my
What
god,
the
bro.
fuck? Okay, I got a 27-minute video. That's 5 gigs. Delete.
Dude, that's insane.
I
bro.
got a 3-hour video. I got a 3-hour video, bruh.
Okay, stream your fucking file
Oh my
thing, bro.
god, that shit is like
I want
36
to. I want to
gigs.
see these
That one's
videos.
gone.
I want to see this shit.
Real quick, bro. What's taking Jalen
What
so
was it, like
fucking long
Apex?
to plug it into
Yeah,
the
it's
back
all
of his
Apex.
computer?
That's
Jalen, you
all
doing?
the
Are you
Apex.
okay, Jalen? Jalen.
Here, look. Look at this shit, dude.
Dude, 3 hours.
Look at this one.
is insane,
25 gigs. 25
though.
gigs.
Hold on.
Oh, it's
25.
20.
106!
Wait, open it.
Open it up. Open it up.
That's 8 hours!
Go. Okay. Stream the video. And
Jalen's back, Jalen's back.
clip through it, bro.
No, okay,
Whoa,
Jalen.
Jalen's back,
Look at
Jalen's
Jalen.
back. Is
I'm
it working, Jalen?
confused. Okay,
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
confused.
Dude,
I'm confused.
holy fuck!
Oh, wait.
Look, I'm confused, right?
I cannot
can't,
believe I can't believe I have an 8-hour clip on
Okay,
my.
does the mouse move or not?
Look, I pressed F12, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the mouse!
Okay.
Look, it'll start moving, but then when I click OK, it stops.
You know, this would be so much fucking easier to tell what's wrong
Dude,
if you
what
don't
the
have a
fuck?
giant ass fucking line
That
in your mouth.
doesn't fucking matter.
Dylan, can you
Bro,
please,
bro.
Dylan, can you
Bro.
please like steal your brother's monitor for testing, please?
I can't. He's on it right now.
Bro,
He's
bro,
fucking
20
playing what?
AM, bro.
Roblox?
use that big bro mentality.
I can't do it.
Oh my god.
You can't,
What do you mean you can't do
you
it?
little bitch.
Yeah.
You don't
Dude,
got
I'm fucking
any like
dying,
you don't got
bro.
like any like doo-doo monitor sitting in the house. You got a TV? Anything, bro. This is bad.
So I press F12 and the mouse moves.
Dude,
But did it stop?
Fucking
how?
8-hour clip. This is unreal.
No, okay, stream the clip. I skipped through it, bro.
Okay, okay.
100 gigs is insane.
No, dude, it's okay. So it's like 10 minutes of Apex, and then it's AFK for like 4 hours, and then a little bit more Apex, and then
Dude, what do I
Stellaris
do,
for like
bruh?
5 hours. Oh, Apex.
Bro,
I think that
literally,
I
what do I do?
Linus Tech Tips, more Apex,
I don't know.
some Dark
I'm not
Viper,
My
and that's
mouse-
it.
Oh
And
my
then I
God,
sh- and then I
it's
shut
just
my
your whole
computer
day
down.
recorded.
Yep, sure is. Delete, bro.
Alright, look,
Wait,
Jalen,
are
I
you
don't
able to
think
click
you
on
give a
anything
shit, bro.
else other than that?
No, he
Dude,
can't.
Oh,
That's
I can only on
That's
this.
that's insane. No, that's actually insane, bro. What the fuck?
Oh,
Dude, this file's so
Alright.
big. Is this shit still
Alright.
downloading from AMD,
yeah,
bro?
I'm sorry, but I can't help you.
Oh wait,
You
is this
can't.
Alright.
did I-
You don't know
actually?
what to do.
Oh, no,
Press
that's the
tab,
one I'm
press tab,
currently
shit.
clipping. Okay.
Press tab, enter.
My Valorant
I know we have the
folder.
arrow keys.
That's fine.
Holy shit, dude. I'm gonna look it
That's
up. Alright, so what do you have? What
crazy.
motherboard do you have?
Dude, it's like an MIC song.
MSI. MSI. Alright,
Yeah, what's
your-
MSI.
Dylan, we need
Um,
can you give
what
us like
was
a
it?
picture of the board?
Okay, what do you fucking what did the thing pop up with? It was like something gaming,
Yeah.
I
right?
don't know, bro. Half of it was fucking
Dylan, can
gone.
you send like a picture of the board?
That's true.
That's what it says.
Send it.
Not that
Send
when
a picture.
you start the computer up, right, and it shows you your like software with like the logo. Right?
Personal. Like that. Personal game.
Send a picture of the motherboard,
Personal?
like with flash on,
Or here,
Yeah.
just restart the computer again. It takes
so we
like
can
5
see the
seconds.
shit.
Shut the computer down, turn it back on. We'll just see what it is then. Oh my fucking god, though.
We don't really know what kind of RAM he has though, so how do we know what
Yeah,
to
he
set
could
it
not
to?
even be able to get the eye, bro.
I mean, there's no way he has DDR3, bro. Man, I refuse to believe it.
Fuck, dude. All right, let's see.
MSI
What is it?
Arsenal Gaming.
Arsenal game.
What the fuck is Arsenal,
Arsenal
Gaming?
Gaming.
It's
mouse.
probably a B450, right?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm sure it is, yeah, but like I've never heard of Arsenal
BIOS.
Gaming like motherboard.
What to do if your gaming PC won't boot? All right, mouse stuck in BIOS. Let's see this shit. Oh, this is not what you have though.
Oh no. Don't tell me that.
You know that line of the head? Did you ask me to okay? No,
Wait,
no, no. It wasn't
Diagnosing your
disrespectful to you or
PC.
anything like that, but I'm just saying we were asking he was here basically.
Plug your
pretty sure.
mouse into
am
a
I-
different
Yeah, so I'm just
USB
saying,
port
that's
out the back.
Yeah, if you want to put your hater blockers on.
Because they're saying this shit might
I ain't even gonna fuck with
might
you.
not
You
work
ain't
with
want
the
to do
USB
this thing?
3.0.
Hey, John, is this what it looks like?
No, no offense to him. I wasn't even trying to target him because
Brian,
he was.
can you turn
asking
that
questions.
down, bro?
No.
All right.
Yeah. I know what it looks like. I'm not even gonna lie.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Okay. It says. Does it say
That's the
Tomahawk?
motherboard.
Does it say Tomahawk Max or Tomahawk?
It does.
Tomahawk Max?
Are you a Tomahawk motherboard?
Max
The
or no
fuck
Max?
is a PS2 mouse?
I don't know.
All right.
Oh,
I
what?
think that's a different input.
Oh, yeah, PS2 port.
I got my hater blockers on.
Bro.
You can't beat them, join them. You better make your decision.
Hero, I need to. Oh my god, I need to look at one of those clips, bro.
Oh yeah, I saw-
I got the clip of Jalen's nasty fucking screen.
Holy shit, dude. Fuck.
Hold up.
Blockers on.
Holy shit, dude, this is insane, bro.
Repairing disk errors. This will take for it to complete.
bro, come on, bro. Maybe when this shit works, when it finishes up. What the
Oh
fuck?
my god, bro.
I think it's hard. I think it's hour to complete.
Wait, how long?
Wait,
An
what?
hour. Over an hour.
You're looking chat.
No way.
Let me see.
No way, bro. No way.
Damon.
I told you we should have never fucking done this, bro. Why
Over
did
an hour, bro.
Why,
Over
why
an
did
hour.
we do this, bro?
Right, because
Bro, what kind of
Oh
what
my
kind
god.
of disk error is there, bro?
Dude,
do you have Windows installed on a hard drive or something, bro?
he does. He does. Why'd you turn on the camera?
It's gonna be an hour till he comes back on, bro.
That's so bad.
Dude,
That's so
hit the
bad.
bed. I hit the bed, bro. That shit is not coming back on tonight.
Repairing disk error. Y'all see that picture of Jalen, man?
Yeah, I
Alright,
see it, bro. I
alright,
see it.
Oh my
Hold on.
god, dude.
You know, Joe, while we're waiting, you want to give yourself you want to give us like a room tour?
No.
Yeah,
No.
Come on,
can we
please.
see the motherboard though?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, actually, yeah. Let's see the motherboard. If you could
Hold up.
turn on
I'm
your.
shutting this down.
No, we-
No,
shut it down.
no.
No. Don't shut it down.
Don't
do
sh-
not shut it down.
Don't do that. You're gonna break it.
Oh my god! Please tell me you didn't shut it down.
Oh my god.
Jalen.
I'm not.
This shit ain't coming back on. This shit's not coming back on.
Bro, you better not have bricked it. You better not have bricked it.
You're not booking computer, bro. I swear to God.
Oh my god, bro. It's not
Oh
gonna
my
change nothing, bro.
God.
It's not gonna change
Just
shit.
stop.
I mean,
Stop.
you're back in, but the mouse is still fucked, bro.
Bro, we can already conclude that we can't do that shit right now, bro.
Okay. Alright,
is-
press F12 and move your mouse above one of like the
It don't work.
icons up there.
This is
It does work.
this is unreal.
Just
do
boot up your
nothing,
computer.
bro.
Just boot up your computer. Don't even fucking do it no more,
It's
bro.
gonna take over an hour.
I've never seen that.
There's no way, bro.
Oh, I've never seen that one.
There's no way, dude. There's no
You're
way.
broken, man.
I feel like the Arsenal gaming logo got a little smaller, or is that just me?
Nah. It's the same, it's the same.
I'm bored.
a fucking.
Wait, what? What'd you say?
He said he's bored, bro.
Oh, I thought he
It's
said.
hard.
I thought he said I'm hard.
Oh. I heard bored.
Stop turning off the camera, bro.
Bro, let us see the motherboard. Oh my
I'm on
god.
TikTok though.
I don't
Let
care,
us see the
man.
motherboard.
Show us the motherboard, dude. Oh my god.
This will take over an hour to complete.
That's
Bro, why'd you shut it off? Why'd you shut it off, man?
Holy shit, dude.
Bro was not trying to wait that long.
I got
Oh,
my skid blockers on.
Bro,
Shut
let us
up!
see the
Shut
fucking
up, bro.
motherboard.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Whoa.
Dude, that's actually.
Whoa.
Oh my god!
Bro, bro,
Jalen! Oh my god! No way!
Hey, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Alright,
for
alright.
stage one. That's for stage
Well,
one,
show us the
bro.
motherboard now. That
Total is 20%.
No way, bro. Jalen!
How much in the flashlight?
Dude, no way.
Just turn your
Turn your
flashlight on.
Get a
Flashlight
flashlight,
on.
bro.
I'm
Get
on
a
5%
flashlight.
battery.
Oh my god!
That was an ugly ass laugh.
God!
Hey, yo, how that Wendy's taste, huh?
Bro,
Hold on.
that shit nasty.
No, what are you doing? let us see the RAM.
Please turn on the flashlight. Turn on the flashlight. I can't
Turn-
see shit.
Show us the RAM, Jalen.
I can't turn the flashlight on.
Show
What
us
do
the
you mean?
RAM,
Can't you swipe down and fucking turn it on?
His phone battery too low.
bro. We need to
Oh
see
my
the.
God.
We need to see the RAM.
Okay. What's the RAM? What's the RAM?
That's not the
What
sound.
am I
That's the
looking
power
at?
supply.
No, that's a fucking GPU.
It's up.
Are
next
you
to your
sure?
CPU, next to
Yeah,
your
it's
CPU,
EVG.
bro.
or-
That shit says 550
It's not his
G3.
GPU, bro. It's not his
Oh,
GPU.
okay, never mind. My bad.
Yeah, that's the
Oh.
GPU. I think.
That's
Yes,
the fucking.
it
Show
is.
us the RAM. Show us the RAM.
But
Why is
Yeah,
it
we
so
can't see
bright?
shit.
Bro, where the RAM at?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro. What am I looking at?
Yeah.
I just see
Oh
two
my
beady ass eyes looking at me, bro.
Dude, Jalen.
Is his face, bro? I thought that was a fucking computer.
Bro,
Smile,
let
bro.
me see the RAM, bro.
Oh my
Smile, bro.
god, bro. You broke your computer, bro.
What's the screen saying, bro?
Let's
Oh,
go.
stage two, bro.
Stage
Stage
two.
Alright, get us
How
back.
long it got?
Get us back down there, bro.
you want to go down there?
Yes. With a flashlight, preferably, bro. Can you
Let
pull
me
your
throw this-
computer out? Can you pull the computer out a little?
Hold up.
He cleaning the fucking garbage up,
We're
bro.
running into the trash.
What'd you get from Wendy's, Jalen?
Dude, now that Wendy's, bro, it
That-
still had burger pieces in it, bro.
yeah, I saw that. She was on his bed, bro. Come
Oh
on.
shit! I gotta give me some Wendy's, bro.
Wendy's. No-
Oh, look at that. 4 for 4, bro. Oh.
Where the hell he go, bro?
His shit,
He's
his shit,
gone.
his shit gonna
Bro's-
die before he gets back.
Bro's eating his fucking dinner right now. He's eating the Wendy's up.
Oh, my phone low.
Dude, I really can't believe that shit. Oh my god.
I ain't never seen that one before.
I said, Jalen, let me see your task manager.
Yeah. We should have just
That's
no.
crazy,
Dude,
that's
we
crazy.
should have just never fucking done this, bro. Because look at this, dude. Look at Jalen now. How the fuck are we
From
supposed to help
taskbar to a broken fucking computer. Bro.
him?
What's crazy is he opened up BIOS and then decided to go look through his hard drives and shit. And they're broken. They're fucking broken.
Bro,
I
that,
got my light.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, get your ass down there.
Bro, what is that next to your computer?
Huh.
Bro, got no airflow down there, bro.
He does. That's the thing,
That's
bro.
what
He
I'm-
fucking does.
I'm trying. Ugh.
Oh my god, bro.
Ugh. It's a
This is-
struggle.
This is unreal.
There we go.
We can't see anything. Okay. Okay.
Bro, that's not the RAM, bro.
Okay. Okay, Tomahawk, regular Tomahawk. Okay, where the RAM at? Where the RAM at?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I
bro.
don't know.
Sorry, man. Sorry,
Show
I was,
that
fucking
red
watching,
light,
Up and to
bro.
the right.
was
Yeah,
watching-
yeah,
I was watching the fucking clip of Jalen
Is
just
that the
shutting
RAM?
off the fucking
yeah.
computer.
Where's the RAM at? Oh, I
don't
see
see
it.
it,
I
bro.
see it. I
No,
see
no,
it. It's
wait,
on
wait,
the
wait,
left.
we were left.
No, we were looking at it, bro.
We were just at it, bro. We were just at it.
I'm struggling.
Does he
Oh
have
my
4 RAM
God.
slots?
Yeah, I
He
got
probably, yeah, he does. He had 2 out of
Okay.
4 used.
Yeah, true.
I see the slot.
Yeah, I don't see any RAM.
Left of it,
though.
left of it, behind that fucking cord.
We don't want to see
Yeah, there it is.
case.
He's a Corsair.
Yeah, there's
He
a
has
Corsair.
it's
Left,
Corsair. Oh, I
left.
think
Are
he-
they together, Jalen?
No, they're
Or are they
not.
separate?
I
They're
think-
spread out.
I think he did it right.
Yeah, he did it. Because I know we were telling him whenever he was setting up the computer.
You see it?
Yeah, we
Yes.
got it. We got
No, bro.
it. Yeah, we saw. No, stop.
We've
Hardly.
seen enough.
We saw it. We saw it.
I saw. Okay, whatever. If y'all saw more.
Yeah, it's right.
Alright,
It's enough to know that he did it right.
What
Are
I
you
need to do?
Oh
RAM?
well, no. Okay, well look for the fucking RAM. Like look at the RAM. I want to see what model it is.
It's a Corsair. I think it's the
probably
VGA
just-
one,
it's
the
probably
one
just-
with like no color.
Yeah, it's probably just Corsair Vengeance 3200.
Okay.
That's what it looked
It's
like.
not like the new one though.
All right. You can get up
Okay,
from the
yeah,
fucking
we're
desk,
good
bro.
now,
You
bro.
good?
We're good. Oh my god, Jen, I'm clipping all of this, you know.
Had to get a couple more gigs to your fucking file.
Oh my god, look at him.
Hey, y'all see the RAM?
Why you licking your lips? So yeah, you're just playing a Mori right now? You missing out?
Yeah, he's he's like
Yeah,
at the
he's-
end. So I have him deafened.
god, bro.
Bro, we
Oh
see
my
you, bro. We
God.
see
Let me
you.
see you, bro.
Just plug your shit in, dude.
Let me see your undies, Jalen.
Don't. Bro.
Look at your fucking lips, bro.
Wait, when you upload shit on YouTube, can you like mix multiple files?
No.
Oh fuck, I don't know, man. You can edit them.
What I do?
I think you
Me.
need a different software though.
What I do though?
Side off, bro. What are you so much?
Clip that, bro. I don't know what to tell you,
Jalen,
bro.
Jalen, can you like go steal your brother's
You itching?
monitor to test on?
Dude, how do I do this?
Like, we need to be able to see this shit, Jalen.
Dude. Okay, no, he can see
God
everything,
damn.
bro. He's fine.
No,
What do you mean?
Go back
Dude,
up
there's
to the
nothing on the
screen, bro.
screen. Obviously, there's something wrong.
That's insane. Wait, what? There's shit on the screen
No,
now.
it's system status, but where's the status?
Oh my
No,
god.
You don't gotta lay on the ground all fucking night,
Oh
bro.
my
Look at
God.
him, bro.
Wait, what? Can we see the update, bro? What's going on up there?
Oh my bad. Yeah, you're right.
Bro, just laying under his desk. What are you doing? Well, you got two Black Panther things?
Oh, you noticed that?
You a fan, huh? Why are you biting your?
Oh my god, bro.
Did y'all heard that?
Which way is your power supply mounted? Because that might be a fire hazard since it's on carpet. Okay, never mind. Never mind, bro.
Did you hear that, Samuel?
Yeah, I did.
What do you think it was?
You wanna show him?
Yo,
You wanna show him?
Bro, can we see the screen? What are you doing on the floor, bro?
He's got his fucking legs up, kicking in the back.
Are you gonna plug your phone in, dog? Oh my god.
Stuck
Wait,
on
that-
stage 2.
That shit.
That shit ain't
shit's
moving.
Slow, bro.
How do I fix it?
You wait, bro.
We don't-
You fucking wait.
We don't even know what's wrong. Reese's Puffs!
Yeah, the Travis
Oh
Scott.
my god! Oh my
Dude,
god!
Where do you sleep, bro?
No, you're backing up.
Oh my god!
Where do you fucking sleep?
I was packing.
Oh my!
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my fucking god!
I was
Bro, was that Papa Smurf?
Yeah, a lot of
What was
work
that?
you did. Hey, look at the
It's the
headphones.
headphones.
Headphones, no. The headphones, bro.
Packing with Doug.
I don't like
Should be
that
streaming
look,
this, bro. The IRL stream going.
So when you leaving, Jalen?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
You taking
leaving tomorrow,
what you
Jalen?
taking, Jalen?
What you showing us?
Oh,
Yeah.
the undies. Let's
Underwear.
go.
You taking the laptop, Jalen? What you got?
I don't even know.
Do
You gotta do something so you can play, bro.
Do you have a laptop? Like, don't you need a laptop for school? You don't know. Okay.
Jalen, oh
Where does
my
he just
god.
reckon? He's no idea.
No way you actually don't have that shit, bro.
We're just going in.
Bro, you're telling me
dry.
you're gonna be in lectures, bro, and you got nothing to fucking.
It died. It died, bro.
I told him to plug that shit in.
Oh,
It died. 100% died. He's sitting there still packing his fucking undies up, bro.
oh my god, bro. No way.
Oh my god, bro.
That's so
No way. Bro.
That's
This
unreal.
Fuck, that's
This
funny.
fucking
Alright,
idiot, bro.
I'm gonna end the clip. I'm gonna end the clip.
There's no way this
Oh, cool,
fucker is
cool.
gonna be going to college